In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set event privacy settings in Google Calendar. Managing who can see the details of your events is really important, especially if you use Google Calendar for both work and personal life. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to change the privacy settings for a specific event so you stay in control of what others can see. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar is open, locate the event whose privacy you want to adjust. This can be any event you've already created, whether it's a meeting, a reminder, or a personal appointment. Click directly on that event in your calendar view to bring up the event preview. When the event preview window appears, look for the option to edit the event. This is usually shown as a small pencil icon or a button labeled Edit. Go ahead and click that. This will open the full event details page where you can change everything about the event, including its title, time, guests, and most importantly for this video, its visibility or privacy. On the event details page, find the section labeled Default Visibility, or something similar. This label can vary slightly depending on your account settings, but it will be under the event options, usually near the middle of the page. This means that, by default, the event is following your calendar's general visibility rules. Click on that default visibility option to open a small drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see the different visibility choices available to you. Typically, you'll have options like Public, where others can see the event details, Private, where others may only see that you're busy without any specifics, or Default Visibility, which uses whatever setting is applied to your entire calendar. Carefully choose the option that matches how much information you want to share for that specific event. For example, if it's a personal appointment on a shared work calendar, you might want to set it to private, so co-workers only see that your time is blocked. After you select your preferred visibility option, make sure to save the event. Look for the Save button at the top or bottom of the page and click it. Once saved, your event will now follow the privacy setting you chose, and anyone with access to your calendar will only see what you've allowed. And that's how you set event privacy settings in Google Calendar.